In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone as a Jira administrator. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or new to administering the platform, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by navigating to the main hub for all your administrative tasks. Start by visiting admin.atlassian.com. Once you're there, you'll need to select the organization you want to manage. This is crucial because your ability to adjust administrator roles is tied to the specific organization you select. After selecting your organization, our next stop is the directory. Under the directory section, click on the Users tab. Here, you'll see a list of all users associated with your organization. It's a comprehensive list that gives you the overview needed to manage roles effectively. Find the user you wish to make an administrator by scrolling through the list or using the search function. Once located, select their name to open their profile. This is your command center for managing that specific user's permissions and roles. On the user's profile page, you'll see an option to grant access. Clicking this button opens the door to assigning various admin roles. This ability to grant access is powerful, and you'll want to consider what level of admin authority is appropriate for the user. Admin roles in Jira are versatile. You can assign roles by adding the user to specific groups. For example, adding them to the Jira admin site name group grants them product admin capabilities. This is ideal for users who need specific control over Jira's features without overarching power. If the user should have broader authority, perhaps over multiple products or entire sites, you might choose to place them in the org admins or site admins group. This group offers the highest level of permissions, perfect for senior team members who need comprehensive oversight. Moving on, you can also assign product-specific admin roles. Adding a user to the Confluence admin site name or product name user access admin site name group gives them control tailored to those particular platforms. If the predefined groups don't fit your needs perfectly, there's an alternative. You can create your own custom groups to finely tune admin roles. This flexibility ensures that you maintain control over access and responsibilities within your organization, molding the administrative structure to fit your unique requirements. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently assign and manage admin roles in Jira, supporting both your organization's and team's evolving needs. By thoughtfully assigning permissions, you empower your team to thrive while maintaining secure and organized project management. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.